who would have expected this? Because obviously Ateneo, they're not at 6-1 without, you know, that fighting spirit. And from being down 2-0, they win 2 straight sets to even it up at 2 sets apiece. And set number 5 is just around the corner. Pero this is how they played in set number 4.
That's right. Set number 4, well, a bit closer than that third set win of Ateneo. And Adamson, again, they tried to mount a rally, especially after good defensive stops, had good attacks in between. Also ran a bit quiet, you know, not as effective as she was in the first 2 sets. And we've got a better defensive set there for Ateneo. They were able to save more plays, kept the ball in play, and that resulted or converted into points. Makita natin, medyo malayo. Attack points, 16 for Ateneo, only 3 for Adamson. Could that be right? Blocks, we have 2 for Adamson and only 1 for Ateneo. Service aces tied at 1. Unforced errors, more for Ateneo, 10, and only 7 for Adamson. Again, the 5th set, folks, only up to 15 points. Very crucial. Itong dalawang teams na to, we know both of them have gone into 5-set matches. And they know what it takes. But again, it's really important to have a very, very good start. And kung ikaw naman yung kabila, ayaw mo namang magpalamang ng gusto kasi napakahirap humabol pag nalamangan ka na malaki na 5th set.
Lady Falcons of Adamson have lost all momentum after, you know, those 2 spectacular first sets. Ateneo, on the other hand, they have everything going for them, and it's a winner-take-all set.
Yep.
Right now, Ian, ano?
Pwede mo nang kalimutan lahat nung nangyari nung 4 sets na natapos.
Smart move by Cortel, letting that one go. And tulad nga na sabi mo, Ian, this is just a 15-point set, or at least up until the winning team has 2 more points against the losing team, ano? Pero you don't want to give up easy points like that on the serve, most especially. De Jesus has been delivering in set number 3, pero that time Zapanta, one of the players that who really needs to get it going for Adamson, able to score off the block of Ateneo.
That's right, lifting violation called on Z.
Off to a good start. Adamson 3-love here in set number 5. And the fans of the Lady Falcons going a little crazy here with this kind of a start.
Yung errors, no, Eric, yan ang importanteng makontrol dito sa 5th set.
Another good serve by Pineda. Underhand set by Ferrer. An easy over by Ateneo. Soriano. What a time for her to get going. That's along with Zapanta. And it's a 4-0 start for Adamson, prompting Coach Gorayev to call a timeout. Pakinggan natin ang Ateneo.
I-over lang yung bola, walang mangyayari. Ang ganda nung ibinigay kahit pa hindi para sa'yo yun eh. May mataas naman, pumapalo ka naman. But binigay mo lang ng ganun. Binigay mo lang ng chance mo doon sa kalaban mo yan eh. Umpisa lang sa isang outside service. Puro error eh. Buti sana kung papatay, isa lang pinatay nilang palo. The rest na, error na natin.
Well, not the kind of start you want Ateneo to have.
That's right.
In a very crucial 5th set.
Well, Coach Roger was mentioning it all started with that service error, and after that everything fell apart. 4 straight points now scored by Adamson, and all of them give me points, no? Giveaway points from the errors of Ateneo. 2 net calls, 1 touch, and again that service error.
De Jesus went above the block just to be safe. Here comes Zapanta. Here's another chance ball. Ooh, that lands right on the mark, and this has been a problem for Adamson. How many points have they let go because they thought it was going to be out? And
yeah.
That really hurt them, especially in set number 4. And that's a 3-point for Ateneo. 1 serving 4. Underhand set by Makatuno. Here comes Zapanta. Blocked. They go to Soriano. Blocked again. Triple lady blocked by Ateneo at the net against Soriano.
Right, tatlo yun na nasa harap ni Pao. And again, read very well. Lahat lang, walang lulusutan eh, no? Nakikita mo dun sa kuha.
Well, 2 straight points for Ateneo ought to boost their confidence here in the 5th set after starting off 4-0. Valdez. Zapanta. A net violation again. After a series of errors by Ateneo, it's Adamson's turn to give away some.
3 points for Ateneo.
Oh no, that was Zapanta pala.
Yeah.
Ang may net error, I stand corrected. So Ateneo, 3 straight points. They are within 1.
Good dig by Lazaro.
That was a little behind Valdez. She had to readjust. Zapanta again. Zapanta finds the mark. And after struggling in the last 2 sets, si Zapanta bumabawi ngayong 5th set.
That's inside. Ayun, pasok na pasok.
Valdez winds up. Medyo kinapos sa height. She'll try again. Free ball for Ateneo. Oops. And Valdez seems to have lost the lift. And the set wasn't to her liking as well. She had to really extend.
The set was a bit strong. Kita mo, malayo yung tinapo ng bola. And Alyssa approached, inward. So, she had to fade back to get to the ball. So, yun, hindi niya na naabutan.
3-point lead para sa Adamson. 6-3. Set 4. Make that set 5. Nice one-handed pickup by Listana. Carvacio finds the mark.
Combination play, Ateneo.
Good play by Z. Combination attack. Again, the blockers were set up, but the gaps were too wide in between blockers. So
4-6.
that was a good, smart play from Z.
Makaturo to Zapanta. Oh, Zapanta! What a time for her to get going.
Hitting it down the line this time, hitting the corner. And good exchange, good defensive stop by Adamson, and it resulted to this down the line hit on the return.
The bulk of the points of Adamson not from that girl, but from Mayet Zapanta here in set number 5. Adamson leading by 3, 7-4. Valdez blocked, but it still goes in. Lucky spin para sa
Yes.
Ateneo.
Hitting it off the block. Just a very, very smart player, Alyssa Valdez.
Five serving 7. Oh, again, another error on the reception para sa Adamson. Tiningnan na naman yung bola of the Tejada serve. And now Ateneo is within 1 after trailing 4-0. Ateneo fights back and can tie it in this series of plays. And yes, they do.
Great block by Ateneo. We are now tied 7-0.
Tied at 7. Remember, the first time these two teams met, 5 sets. So, talagang mukhang match na match tong dalawang to. Even up to the 5th, we're tied at 7.
Cortel, yes.
Adamson
Back
gets
on
the
top is
point.
Adamson, 8-7.
Finish sports.
We exchange sides.